Cleaning a newborn's nose should always be gentle and careful, since their nasal passages are tiny and sensitive. Here's a step-by-step guide to cleaning a newborn's nose. Before cleaning your newborn's nose, wash your hands thoroughly. Once you're ready, position your baby safely by holding them upright on your lap or laying them on their back with their head supported. Next, use saline drops to help loosen any mucus in your baby's nose. Gently place 1 to 3 drops of sterile saline solution into one nostril and wait about 30 seconds to a minute. This allows the saline to soften and loosen the mucus, making it easier to remove. After using the saline drops, gently remove the loosened mucus with a bulb syringe or a nasal aspirator. For a bulb syringe, first squeeze the bulb to push out the air. Carefully insert only the tip into your baby's nostril. Do not insert it deeply, then slowly release the bulb so it gently suctions out the mucus. Remove the syringe and squeeze the contents onto a tissue. Repeat the same steps for the other nostril if needed. If you're using a nasal aspirator, the process is similar. Use saline first to loosen the mucus, then gently draw it out without placing the device deep inside your baby's nose. Place the red mouthpiece in your mouth and gently suck in. The mucus will collect in the clear tube, but will not reach you thanks to the hygiene filter. Repeat on the other nostril if needed. After suctioning, gently wipe the outside of your baby's nose with a soft towel or clean cloth to remove any remaining mucus. If your baby still seems congested, you can repeat the process, but do so carefully to avoid irritating the delicate nasal passages. The electric nasal aspirator makes clearing your baby's nose quick and easy. It features 3 adjustable suction levels to gently remove all types of mucus, both dry and sticky, so your baby can breathe comfortably. It includes 3 soft, food-grade silicone tips that are safe and gentle for newborns. The built-in anti-back flow technology keeps the process clean and hygienic. To help calm your little one, the aspirator also has soothing lights and music, and its quiet motor keeps the experience stress-free. Using a cool mist humidifier in your baby's room helps add moisture to the air, which keeps their nasal passages from becoming too dry and reduces congestion. Moist air can make breathing easier, especially during sleep or in dry weather. The gentle steam helps loosen mucus inside the nose, making it easier for your baby to breathe and for you to clear their nasal passages afterward. With gentle care and the right tools, you can help your baby breathe freely and stay happy.